The second horseman is contempt. Now, contempt, you can see it not only in with your partner, but you could feel it with yourself. And it kind of leads the other person to believe that you think you have some sort of superiority over them. Meaning, like, you scoff at them, or you have eye rolling, or you just kind of, brush them off and think that you have a better way of thinking than them. So contempt is basically where you're judging yourself to be better off than them. And in a relationship, this can look a lot like, God, I hate it when he does this, or she just really doesn't understand how I work. And it goes way beyond criticism. This is something that is, you really look at that person and you just feel it in your body. You feel like this kind of like a disgust. And, when it gets to that point, you really have to dig deep on the antidote, which we'll talk about later, but it's finding appreciation in that person again. And, that takes a lot of work, especially through couples counseling or family therapy, or, if you are strong enough to do it on your own, then you can do it that way too. But paying attention to those little, microaggressions that you do towards somebody else, scoffing at them, rolling your eyes, shutting down their ideas, stuff like that, makes them feel, defensive and want to shut down, which leads to stonewalling. So they all link together, and we'll keep kind of addressing what they mean.